Oh, hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the Outlaw Performance Garage. Hey, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to the Outlaw Performance Garage. Today, we're going to be removing this car's engine, transmission, and driveline. It's not going to be a specific bolt for bolt detailed removal. We're going to just blast through it, get it all taken apart, get it ready for that LME motor to come in, that badass 427 LSX block. So again, thank you so much for choosing this channel to watch. I appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let's do this. Didn't it? It moved. Dang, it pulled it out. Okay, it's gonna drop now. Alright. So yeah, pull it towards you down, and then it's gonna come, it's gonna break loose from both sides once you come down that center. Yeah. Oh yeah. Remember, he dropped the center first. So is there anything else holding that center in there?
No. These don't want to move.
There you go. The center should come down.
These don't want to move.
What don't want to move? Oh yeah, it's coming out.
Well, the center wants to come out, but
There you go. Now it's coming. You just broke the back shaft loose. Yeah, it's coming out now. Right there.
shit.
What?
And the front one's moving.
So drop the front one then first if you have to.
Yep, there goes the front.
There you go. Front is down.
Rear's down.
Oh yeah. ZL1 Driveshaft. Alright, pass it this way. So keep it together. There we go. Oh yeah. Nice.
Here's the bolts for those 15.
Nice.
You need that?
You can put them back in. Back. about to break the car.
Is this the second time you removed this thing?
First time.
Oh, first time?
Man, you know what? After this, let's pull the motor out. It's just that small short block. It's only held in by 2 bolts. Let's pull the block and then we're done. We can, yeah. Then we're waiting on LME.
Okay, where's the,
you know what I'm
where's
saying?
the music though, man? We need motivation.
Hey, that was so fast. Alright, we got it out. This is what we're looking like, guys. We got it out. The transmission is out. Moving forward. Now we're going to pull the cherry picker out and try to get this motor taken out. Alright, so we have the lift plate here. We got good old James knocking out getting that valley cover off, and we're going to mount this on and get this baby taken out. Let's do it. Connect it. It's right there. I can do it right now. Let me get my
clamp, like a pliers or something.
Pliers, yeah. Oh yeah, right there.
There's all that. Yeah, we'll probably start.
A what?
The
Well, you want me to pull it first, right?
No, because you're pretty much.
Are we stressed out on that wire?
You're not stressed out on it, but it's time to remove stuff so that way you can.
Alright,
Because there's a line, there's a connector, electric connector going to it.
right.
So there's no
that
more.
Shield. We'll free it up.
Yeah. So.
Alright, so come back.
Yeah, let's get rid of the shield.
Yeah, this thing's attached to it.
That's cooler lines to.
Is it attached to the engine?
Let's see.
These.
Yeah, remember
Looks
that
like
goes
it
with the
is.
transmission.
Yeah, but I can't tell if it's attached
Holy
to the engine.
crap.
You can,
Good catch.
you can undo it here
Yeah, let me
at
just
the
connect it.
at the radiator.
Pause it. No, I had the. Saw you doing it. Show them. Show them that wire tray.
Wire tray. As far as what? Oh, so there's a. Okay. But what do we?
Stop.
So you got this line
You
here.
got snagged on something, right?
Well, you got this line here, but I mean,
That's the oil cooler, I thought.
right? You could take the mount off itself. That's coming off anyways, right? You take that off.
We'll take. No, we don't need to do it now.
Okay.
Let's just get it out and then put it on the engine stand.
Okay. But you still got that one over there, which.
The plug.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or going to the starter.
That's right here.
Yes, those things, yeah. Which those, I think you can get more of those, but they're pretty easy to, if you do them right, they come out, and you can put it back in, right?
Okay, I see
Those
what you're saying.
yeah. Those come out and come back in. Sometimes they break.
Don't break it. It's just a wire, right? Going to the alternator.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, okay. Dude, can I see that 1/2-inch ratchet right there? Alternator. It goes to the alternator.
Oh, it's on, and it's pinched underneath. Hold
Yeah.
on, I'm gonna lift this up. See if we
Okay.
can- Hold on one second.
Okay, go ahead, look. It won't slide.
Oh, it's here. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna lift the compressor, and it's this way.
That's that wire tray,
It's
right?
right, it goes to here. Watch. I'm gonna lift the compressor. See this?
Okay.
It goes to here and it's here. I'm gonna lift this and go ahead and pull it out. See? Hold on.
Something stacked. under.
Oh, it's so it basically it's this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It won't go under.
Yeah.
What the hell is it attached to?
There
There you go. Alright, Rich, how we looking, Rich?
Hold on one second, go slow.
We're clear over here. Yeah, you're clear, but there's
Okay, here
that
we go.
still-
What?
There's that one.
Is it super tight yet?
Well, it's one wire that's still connected. You might have to pull on. 1 sec. Okay, it's connected from. I can't see underneath. You have a mirror.
I don't. You can turn your camera backwards. I'm gonna pull this out a little bit, guys. Ready?
Okay.
You see it now? Can we come up eye level?
You can come up. Yes. On this. You can come up on this
There's
side.
nothing snagging on it, right?
Yeah. Now try and pull the. Can you come back with the motor away from the firewall?
Yes. Ready?
Yep. Alright. Cool? Yep.
Can you see it now to get it off, or?
So the angle that it's alright, it's going. We got the starter. How many bolts? I think we need to get the starter. Which should feel like 14s.
Oh shit! Look, the bolt on the.
Let's take a look. Hold on, pause it.
There's nothing on this thing. You can go back up a little bit, just so you can get all of us in it. Go like back over here or over here.
So RXT
Shoot
12,
this way.
RXT 1200.
Yeah.
And you had to get a different flywheel, huh? The
Oh,
flywheel
yeah, it
board.
came with the billet one.
Nice.
Pretty dope, huh? Billet?
How's that,
I know, it's holding.
okay. So sorry to get it up.
Crazy, right?
The sooner we get it on the lower, the better. Are you putting it on this one on the stand?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, here we go. Ready? Ready, guys?
Yep.
Got it, got it.
And then just, that thing. Do you have bolts for it? What bolts you gonna use?
Yeah, we're gonna use the transmission bolts.
Okay.
All right.